Hello and welcome. So, at the moment, I think I'm doing the weirdest unboxing on earth. Yes, the the frame you're watching. Actually, I'm laughing at the moment because I have never done such funny frame before, and all of a sudden I thought like, okay, let's give a try. So now I'm going to unbox my so awaited YI Light action camera, or what do you call it? Xiaomi Light action camera. So I bought it for the first time. I know it's an old version one, but they have the 4K and they came up with some more, like some other versions as well. But the reviews I went through in the YouTube, I found it's more like this is more worth for money, something like that. So this is the first time I'm gonna watch this in front of camera. I don't know how did I actually have the patience to keep it for last 4 hours in front of me and I didn't touch it. I really don't know. I must have a lot of patience, and it's seriously like I'm not a person who can, keep my hands away from new things. I'm seriously like a child. So let's try. I have a plastic. Well, oh, okay. So actually, I was expecting a little bit more bigger box. Wow, that camera is actually really small. I was expecting a little bit bigger. I don't know, is it me or so where do you I think I have to find out a way to open. Oh, okay, I get it. I get it. So let's see inside the box first. So here is it. I think it's the warranty card and the types of camera. I think the packaging is a little bit modified. I think so. Warranty for action camera series. Okay. Nice booklet, which I never read. So this is a charging cable. And this is the battery. I want to open it. Seriously, I want to open it. How to do it? Oh, okay. Okie dokie. So, putting on camera. Start. Yay! Next. Ooh. So, that's quite fantastic. I found my country. Oh, wow. So, please enter the Wi-Fi. Should I do the... I think it's 2.4. Select a mode. Okay. Slide down for the access menu. Okay. Download the Y camera app. Oh, okay. That's nice. That's actually nice. Really nice. I mean, the touch, I have to say, the touch is quite good. Really good, I have to say. And the video, how is it doing? No card. Oh, I have to put a card. I have to take off the sticker. So here is the sticker of this. And yeah, I have to say that it's quite good. It's really good. Resolution. That's the highest, I guess. Oh no. Okay, you can do it in 4K. Of course, you have to put a high-speed 10 generation card or something like that. So you can do it in 140, 30 FPS. I don't know which one should I do, but at the moment there's a normal one. Timestamp. Okay, I want to do the time, date, LDC. What is LDC? I don't know. Mic high, video standard, image quality. Okay, those are good. Absolutely fine. Okay, so far so good. So yeah, that's for the card. I mean, I need to. Okay, this is for. So where's the card? Where should I put the card? Anybody knows where should I put the card? That is interesting. No card. No SD card. Okay, I have to find out. But so far so good. This is what I understand. Like, I got the camera and camera is working and it's good. That's nice. Really nice. Okay. So I have to learn about it a little bit more, but so far my expression on this thing is I'm liking it. Oh wow. Did it take some picture? I think it did. Slow motion, lapse video. Video plus photo. No SD card. Okay, I have to put a SD card and then I have to try the video. I'll take it. I'll do a video and I'll let you know. How is it? So thank you so much for watching the unboxing. I know it's very unusual unboxing for you guys, but still, it's fun to see new stuff. Thank you.